Hey guys, it's Kamiyah Queen back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get my curls to be moisturized after my hair being super freaking dry. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I moisturize my hair, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and always don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. Hit the bell so you get notified every time I post, because if you just subscribe, you're not going to get notified if I post. And I do post every Tuesday and Saturday, so you can be on the lookout for the video. And yeah.
Okay, so first I'm taking my spray bottle, and it just has water in it, and I'm just going to spray my hair. And then next I'm going to split my hair down the middle, not perfectly split down the middle, but then I'm going to take one side, I'm just going to twist it. And it doesn't have to be a good twist. As you can see, this twist looks horrible, but it'll do. So now I'm just going to spray my hair with a whole bunch of water. And this is not freshly washed hair. If you wanted to know, this is not freshly washed hair. My hair was washed about a week ago, or a week and a half ago actually. But yeah, so now I'm just going to add my conditioner to my hair. And my hair is going to be white for a little bit until the product soaks up, or my hair soaks up the product, whatever. So yeah, in between I'm adding water, and then I'm going to add my moisturizing curling cream to my hair, and then after that I'm going to add more water too. So in between each product I add more water, and this just helps me achieve the best curls that I can get. So yeah, I'm just going to rake my hands through my hair and then add water. And now I'm taking a little bit of Eco Styler gel, not a lot, because I don't want my hair to be crunchy or anything like that. I just want my curls to hold, and this is what helps my curls hold their curl. So yeah, I'm just going to be adding that to my hair, and then I'm going to be spraying some more water. As I said, I add water in between every single product. So yeah, I'm just going to be raking the product through my hair, and as you can see already my curls are starting to form. And now I'm just going to take down the other side. I'm just going to repeat the same exact process, adding the water, adding my conditioner, spraying water in between, singing a little bit of songs, and then raking my hands through my hair. And then add the moisturizing cream, add the water. And I forgot to show it, but I did add oil to my hair after I put in all of the product, just so my hair is sealed. I'm just giving myself a side part here, and I just use my fingers, no comb, because my hair is already parted there. It's always parted there. I'm just going to be adding some gel, and then I'm going to swoop my edges with my toothbrush, because you know, I just gotta be popping, or else, like, what is you doing? So yeah, I'm just gonna swoop it with my toothbrush, and that is the finished look.
At the end of the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and turn on the bell if you want to get notified every time I post. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.